Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would just come on here and just film a quick little tutorial. I'm just doing this like pink sultry eye, and today I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of this video, keep watching. This lighting is honestly everything, but okay. So first I'm going to be starting with the eyes, and I'm just going to be using my NARS concealer to prime. So now for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette. Shout out to my coworker Sid for giving this to me. I really appreciate it. But first, I'm going to be starting with the color Ho. And I'm just going to bust that thing in my crease, just as, you know, like a subtle, nice transition color. So next, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of Texas Made and just popping that on the outer part of my crease. And then next, I'm going to be taking back rolls and just like focusing that on the outer part of my lid. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Beyond and putting that all over my lid. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm about to go do my eyeliner and put on my lashes right quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for the face, I'm gonna be using one primer today, and that's gonna be the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This shit is so bomb. Literally, like, I suggest this to everybody. And then for foundation and concealer, I'm gonna be using the YSL All Hours, one of my favorites right now, and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So yeah. Okay, and so for powders, I'm going to be using my Ben Nye Banana Powder for under my eyes, and then my Milk Makeup Setting Blur Primer Powder, blah, blah, blah. My Milk Blur Setting Powder all over my face. And for bronzer, of course, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Caramel Cutie. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. Literally, I've tried all different types of bronzers, and this is the only one that I feel like really works on my skin. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, again, I'm literally obsessed, the Fenty Beauty in Sandcastle, the shade right here. It's matte pretty, like wow. And then for blush, I'm going to be using Sephora Collection in Heated. And now the finishing touch, I'm going to be using the Pixi Vitamin Makeup Mist. And I really like this stuff. I just wish the pump was like, not so like, you know, but. Ooh. Let that dry right quick. Let that sizzle and let it marinate in my spirit. Alright you guys, and here is the completed look. I think it came out really good. I just want to let you know, I literally filmed this look twice already, and each time I hated it, but I'm glad that it came out good because I'm tired of doing this look low-key. But yes, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.